Hey everyone, welcome back to Lens on Trains. This is episode 20 of my Building My First HO Scale Diorama series, and in this episode I'm upgrading the tunnel area and the surrounding landscape using some ornamental moss in different colors, just to add more depth, texture, and just the feeling that time has passed. Now I ordered several types of ornamental moss online in different shades, from dark green to very light, almost white tones. And the idea is to simulate different kinds of bushes and small trees and vegetation in various states, from fresh and alive to dry and weathered. This kind of color variation helps break that uniformity and makes the forest area feel more natural and aged. I start near the tunnel, drilling small holes and adding glue just like I did with the trees. The moss is placed carefully along the tunnel sides, on top and around the tracks, where vegetation would realistically grow over time. In some spots I lightly spray glue on top of the moss to help it stay together and keep its shape. Next I move toward the forest area, near the river, along the tracks. I mix different moss colors to simulate death and aging, darker greens for healthier vegetation, lighter ones for dried or sun-exposed areas, let's say. This layering really helps blend the tunnel into the rest of the scenery and makes the landscape feel continuous rather than separated into sections. So for the rest of the video I'll show you some close-up shots of the moss details around the tunnel, the forest edge, and near the river. Even though the process is, let's say, simple, drilling, gluing, placing, and sometimes spraying glue, the result adds a lot of character and realism. Let me know in the comments what you think as well about using moss for aging the scenery, and if you have any ideas for what I should add next. Please leave a comment. For now, thanks for watching Lens on Trains, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye everyone.